children, today let's start with chapter number 5, like the states of Bharat. Let's study about the different Indian states. So our parents look after the needs of the family. So the government होती है, it also looks the need and aspiration of the people of the Bharat. वो welfare करती है लोगों का, laws frame करती है, rules बनाती है to run the country. It is the government. जो क्या plan करती है? It's a government which plans to build schools, road, hospitals, parks, stadium, airport. The government also fulfill our needs like electricity, water, telephone, and commerce. What is Bharat? It is a huge country with population more than 140 crore. We have a central government to look after the whole country. The president is the head of the country, prime minister actual head है government का, and he is the head of the council of ministers. जो councils of ministers हैं उनका भी head है, right? So the office of central government are in Delhi. Your capital है prime minister, president, other minister जो है वो आपके कहाँ रहते हैं? दिल्ली में रहते हैं, वहीं वर्क करते हैं. It is not possible to look after a whole country for a second. देखो खाली अगर हम बात करें कि गवर्नमेंट की, it is not possible. So therefore country is divided into smaller parts called states. The state government looks after the welfare of the people of the state. As the state government comprises of representative of the people from within the state, it is believed that they understand the needs of the people better. क्या कहा जाता है कि वो जो needs है लोगों की उनको अच्छे से समझेंगे. Before 5 August 2019, there were 29 states and 7 UT. So on 5 August 2019, the government dissolved Article 370 of the Constitution of Bharat and bifurcated states into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir, and shall not be a union territory with own its legislature. And it is to how Puducherry and Delhi is administration. जैसा आपको पुडुचेरी और दिल्ली एडमिनिस्टर होता है, ऐसी हो. In case of J&K union territory, it will be a self-administered government with a legislature government. और जो राजस्थान है वो आपका लार्जेस्ट स्टेट है, गोवा आपका स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट है. इन टर्म उत्तर प्रदेश आपकी मोस्ट पॉपुलस स्टेट है, राइट. नेक्स्ट, a land like no other with super abundance of attraction to visit, fabulous landscape, amazing heat and cuts. Ladakh is truly the heaven on earth. अगर हम बात करें लद्दाख की, वो हेवन है अर्थ का. एंड लद्दाख डिवीजन ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर has a large area, but it is sparsely populated with very difficult terrain. So there has been a long pending demand of the people of Ladakh to get status of UT to enable them to realize their aspirations. So UT of Ladakh will be without legislature. So Ladakh is now union territory of Bharat. Now there are 28 states in our country. Even state has its own capital. Governor head होता है. Chief minister जो होता है वो आपका actual head होता है. He is the head of the council of minister and the governor, chief minister और जितने भी अदर मिनिस्टर्स हैं वो अपनी कैपिटल में रह रहे हैं, स्टेट की कैपिटल में रहता. राइट. बिसाइड द स्टेट देयर आर सम स्मॉलर एरिया अंडर डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, जिन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? यूनियन टेरिटरी. इसमें आपका दिल्ली हो गया, पुडुचेरी हो गया. These are the different states and capital has been given. There are 28 states and 8 UT. You have to learn all the states and its capital. Right? Though we live in a different state, there will be a bond to be all are Indian. We should be proud of our country. So 7 states of the Northeast, इन हम 7 sister states भी कहते हैं. इसमें आपका मणिपुर, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, नागालैंड, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, ये सारे आते हैं. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.